quite amazing to see this shift all towards data. I mean, probably 10, 15 years ago, data was one of those things that was not spoken about anywhere near as much now.
Yeah, I mean, I think it is that sort of case of eating our own dog food, because we've seen that in the companies we invest in. Obviously, data is absolutely at the heart of it, and it sort of took VCs, I think, probably a longer while to make that shift. I mean, having said that, obviously, ultimately, great investors is at least as much art as science. It's about spotting the really great teams and the really great sort of big market gaps and opportunities to disrupt.
So I suppose it's about getting that blend, right? That artistry and data science that comes with it.
Exactly, and as we know, getting a culture which is both receptive and data-driven, but at the same time is creative and sort of tangential, can be very, very difficult. So that's the cultural aspect within a VC firm is I think over the next coming years is sort of marrying those two together.
And how do you think that's changed? The role of the VC to actually almost form a culture and also plug into the data side of it as well.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's changing. It's been slower in Europe. I think in Europe we're definitely more. I think because we've got this, half of our portfolio in San Francisco, and we have a very big presence there. I think we sort of witness it more directly than a lot of other European VCs. How that change is happening.
Yeah.
But in Silicon Valley, you're seeing a lot of sort of these type of portfolio support teams, really building up, and in somewhat different ways. And I think our approach is quite distinctive, but there's the broad direction of travel is the same, that you've got to do a lot more to actively support your companies and bring them together.